Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and today I will show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. In this lesson, we will review how to create an automatic playlist on YouTube. You must have a YouTube account to create a playlist on YouTube. Supposing you have an account, let's create a playlist now, a new one. A YouTube playlist is the best way to create a tailored containing your favorite videos. You can group videos together by channel or interest, as well as share your playlist for others to use it or edit it. Most content on YouTube can be added to a playlist, but there are some exceptions. If you want to add made for kids videos to a YouTube playlist, you're out of luck, as these videos are restricted with US copyright regulations, designed to protect kids, of course, and they cannot be added. Creating a new YouTube playlist is like this. If you want to create a new YouTube playlist, you'll need to find a video you want to add first and then use that video to create your playlist. The steps for doing this vary slightly for web and mobile users. On YouTube web, which this is the one I am going to show you today, to create a new YouTube playlist on a YouTube website, you will just find and open the first video you wish to add to your playlist. Let me search for one. I want to go with this Rihanna video, right? And we're opening it. And right here, as you can see, there are below the video there are various options to offer feedback, like likes, dislikes. You can comment, as well as to share or save the video. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click the save button to proceed, just like here. And now what we came in here is the save to box. And in the save to box, what we're gonna do is, as you can see, I have already two other playlists you can see here. So we can either save it to our watch later list, which that's not what we're gonna do today, or to another playlist, which I can put it on music, or to a new playlist. Today we're gonna click create a new playlist. So what we're doing is click to create a new playlist right here. And here we're gonna name our playlist, of course. When we're adding a name to our playlist, right here in the name box, we can use maximum 150 characters of this, but we don't need that much characters. For example, I'm just gonna go with